What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, the Armed Fisherman, and I've got a giveaway going on my channel, and this is it right here, the ProTac HL USB headlamp. And I have been using this. I've gone out and fished a couple days or a couple nights, and I've actually used it. I'll put a couple clips of what you will expect to see. I'm going to turn this light on. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. So you can see that. You see him, everybody? Look at that right there. Look at that fish. Gary Pixley. If I haven't mentioned Gary Pixley, he's the one that donated this flashlight, so I thank Gary so much for that. He understands that I'm wearing a camera that is not, I didn't put it into night vision or night view, so it wasn't like it helped with the contrast. I used it as I would normally use it in the day, and you'll see the differences in what it looks like. What it really looks like in real life, it's actually pretty bright, and it brightens up a pretty broad area. Even though it may not seem like it on the video, the light is amazing. It's 1,000 lumens. It's a high-speed output LED headlamp, USB rechargeable lithium-ion, a flood filter that has green and red, just in case you do some night hunting and things like that and you need a red or green or whatever. It's a 10-tap programmable. I'll explain that a little bit more with another clip. I'm not going to go into it right now. And there's 3 usable select programs, high, medium, low. And then you can program, basically you can program it to where when you hit it, when you turn it on, it can be on high, or you can program it to where when you hit it, it'll go to medium, and if you program it, it'll go to low. You can choose your different settings, and you can bounce back and forth between them. It's, like I said, it's got a USB cord, so you can plug this USB cord right into your car charger. If you have a car charger or a wall mount charger, you just plug it into one of your existing USB chargings. The battery, red and green light filters. There's a rubber boot that covers the charging port. It's not waterproof. It is water resistant, and if it happens to fall in less than, I want to say it's as long as it's not submerged for a long period of time, it is good. But you know, obviously if you're out in the rain, I wouldn't go swimming with this thing. It's not like waterproof, it's water resistant. But everything I've dealt with this thing has been amazing. And that's just about it. What you will be doing is you will be sending emails to thearmedfisherman@gmail.com. Mention that this is for the Streamlight flashlight. And then all you have to do is send me an email when we hit about, I'd say, 5,000 subscribers. I'm at 2,600 right now. When we hit 5,000, we'll be giving this away as well. So stay tuned to this channel. Stay tuned to Soliaker. We've got giveaways happening for the next probably month, next couple months. And we have a big giveaway at the end of the year towards Christmas. And so stay tuned. Thanks again, Gary Pixley. He's an amazing guy. I was out open carrying with him and Laura, and I can't say thank you enough to Gary and all my subscribers and everybody that's staying tuned to these channels. So like I said, just get me that email for the Streamlight flashlight. We'll get you entered, and we'll do a live stream when I can go live. So stay tuned for that. I thank all of you. I'm going to get out of here. The Armed Fisherman. Deuces.